pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I have Boxy Charm's Base Box for March of 2021 and I have high hopes for it. I've seen a few unboxings for this box and it was pretty good. The premium, not so good this month. And the luxe, I loved. So we're going to unbox this one together. Let's see what we have. Okay. Ooh. Here it is. All right, I see the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, calming and hydrating. Oh, I absolutely love the idea of a good smelling moisturizer, especially, I mean, this sounds so amazing, like a dessert. Banana souffle. Like, I would just love putting skincare on my face, and it feels so good. And okay, so here it is. It's got, oh, I am just, this is a pretty thick moisturizer. It reminds me of consistency of pudding. Huh, okay. It doesn't smell like bananas though. Let's see what the retail value on this is. $39. Okay. Let's pull out the next item, which is the Wet Brush Cleaning System with Silicone Scrubbing Pad by Lash. So you clean your brushes by putting them in here, right? I believe, okay, this has plastic around it. So I'm guessing you take the plastic off, you wet the brush, and then you use this part here. That's neat. I'll have to try that out. What is the value of that? $15. Let's look at the next item. Car Lip Oil. Is that what that says? Or Cab Lip Oil. Hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. It has a $20 value. And I think I've gotten this before. I'm not going to open it because I'm totally going to do a giveaway with it because we have enough lip balms and enough lip oils. It's crazy. But this is the packaging here. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. And let's move on. Ooh, I see. Never heard of Maven Beauty before. But it says it's a rose water setting spray. Let me see. Yes, $22 value. It prevents your makeup from smudging for up to 16 hours, it says. Let's go ahead and try some of this. I didn't put on setting spray today, so. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, I loved getting setting sprays though, I have to say that. And the last thing is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. It has a $38 value. Okay, so this is cool. I will put the total of everything in here, but we've got the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. We've got the Lavish Cleaning System for your brushes. Then we've got the Lip Oil, the Setting Spray, and then we've got this palette here. I've been dying to try Lime Crime, so I'm excited. I will definitely be doing a look with this palette if I can get it open. Oh my goodness, the plastic on these things. Okay, it looks like a little book, like a little storybook, and that's what it feels like. It feels like a little storybook. Okay, here it is here. Ooh, these colors are pretty. Look at that. $38 though for 8 shades? I mean, wow. All right, let's do some swatching. Okay. Looky, looky, looky. I always drop something. Okay. I need a bigger space. Alright, let's see. Ooh, we got some pigment here. Look, guys. Alright. That is the first row. Where is my makeup wipe? Let's do the second row. So there is more mattes than shimmers in here. Actually, there's 4 shimmers and there's 4 mattes. Okay. Ooh, this purple one. It's got my name all over it. Ooh, look at these. Oh, you guys want to see a look with it, right? I want to know how many of you got this palette and if you've tried it yet. Put that down in the comments below. Okay, so these are pigmented. I'm super excited. Have you tried Lime Crime? Because I have not tried them yet. I am definitely looking forward to doing a look with this palette. And that concludes what I got for Boxy Charm Base Box. $25 a month. It's definitely worth it. I do like this box and the Luxe box. The premium I wasn't so crazy about. But I did look forward to hearing what you guys had to say about the premium. So thank you for commenting on the videos. I do enjoy talking with you guys, and I like hearing what you have to say. So I am so appreciative. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.